Hi, the topic for my poster is facial first impressions and attention. So, to give you a little background, it is said that facial first impressions are extracted faster than a blink of an eye. There are two theoretical accounts to it, whether this is an hardwired feature of person perception or an acquired cognitive skill. It has also been said that extraction of primary character traits from faces, like dominance, trustworthiness, has been described as automatic aspect of person perception. To explore the attentional grabbing properties of faces, researchers have commonly used variants of dot probe paradigm. So here, I have even used the same paradigm in my experiment. In this experiment, participants were informed they would be performing a stimulus classification task in which they had to report the identity of the shapes. That is, whether the shape is a circle or a square. On each trial, a white fixation cross on a black background was presented with random increment of 100 milliseconds. Two faces were then displayed, with a single face appearing either side of the fixation cross for 100 milliseconds. Each stimulus period comprised a neutral face, together with a face that was high or low in trustworthiness. Following the experimental instructions, participants were randomly assigned to view either naturalistic faces or computer-generated faces. Both the faces were taken from the databases. One was Chicago Face database and other was Todorov. In both the databases, we took 36 female faces, 12 high in trustworthiness, 12 low, and 12 neutral. And the results were that we conducted a 2 into 2 into 2 mixed model ANOVA was conducted on participants' mean correct RTs. The analysis yielded a main effect of face type, such that the RTs were faster when targets were presented by computer generated compared to naturalistic faces. No other significant main effect or interaction was observed. In sum, we can say that using a dot probe task and both naturalistic and computer-generated faces displaying trustworthiness, here we fail to demonstrate that core character traits spontaneously capture attention. Of course, whether these null findings reflect limitations with the dot probe task or the absence of mandatory attentional capture from impressions specifying facial characteristics require further investigation using different methodologies, populations, and analytical techniques. Based on the current work, however, fundamental aspects of person perception may be less automatic than has been otherwise be assumed. Thank you.